Hello guys, I am Gopinath from Unbox Expert. Today we are going to unbox and review the mobile DSLR tripod. I purchased this from Paytm. You can also check the and Flipkart and other sites. I will leave the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. The overall package is good without any damage. So let's unbox this. So this is the box with the carton, and you can see the tripod 3110, and some on the box it has named 3110 and some major features of it. We got an, so let's open it. It's basically made in China, so let's open. Here you go, we got an extra mic. Okay, let's open it. And the build quality was okay. It has 3.5 mm jack to connect it to any of the devices. We can also record the audio by using this mic. So let's check the tripod. The tripod comes neatly packed in a cover, and in it we even got a mobile holder to place our mobile. Wow, really awesome build quality in a budget segment. Looks great. It has many directional adjustments to adjust the angles. It even comes with a lever to locate the exact center. Okay, let's touch it legs. The tripod looks very little cute, and it has the center of gravity nearly at the same. It got some leg locks to prevent from sliding on the to skip the pace. The rubber shoes prevent it from skidding. Looks great when extended to the fully. We can mount a DSLR or a mobile or projector to this tripod. When extended to max, it lives. The entire package comes like this. Okay, we can mount a DSLR or a mobile phone to this tripods. When extended to max, it looks like this. Really awesome. It reaches around 5 feet height, and we can also use multi-purposely by different types, different angles. So finally I conclude that it was the best and cheap and best mobile tripod in the budget segment. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. Unbox Expert.